Hi everyone. Something new is rolling out to Design Space for desktop. Not everyone has it yet, but it's rolling out slowly. And I just thought I'd give you a quick look so you could see what it was. So when you use these guided flows up here, specifically the one like the iron-on t-shirt, let's go choose that one. Now we're just going to choose a women's shirt because for this demonstration, it really doesn't matter. Okay, so this is considered your working area. Let's go add some things that are different colors. So I'll leave this butterfly black, and then I'm going to add a couple of hearts. And let's make those red. Okay, and then let's go add something else. I kind of like this one. Okay, and then we'll add this one. And then we're going to use our new little toolbar that pops up underneath our images. And I'm going to duplicate. I'm going to put another one on the top, and I'm going to flip it. Okay, so we now have this kind of beige color. We have red and we have black. Now, normally, if we go to make it, it's going to put all these things next to each other that are the same color in order to save your material. But now we have auto attach. So even though I haven't attached anything, nothing is attached. It's all just free flowing here. Now, when I go to make it, choose on a mat. Now it has a little button up here that says keep layout. If that's turned on, it's going to have automatically attached your like colors. So they'll already be in the right place when you cut them out so that you're not having to place things with your eye. Now you can turn this off, and if you turn it off, it's going to turn it off for all of the mats, not just one, so you don't have to worry about that. See, now it's back up in the corner where it would be to save space. I think it's a really cool little feature because it helps you make sure that your stuff lines up easier, and it makes sure that it's in the place it was when you designed it on your screen. And this will only happen on the guided flows like the making a t-shirt. So you don't have to worry about this happening every time you go into Design Space, even if you're just doing a blank canvas. It only works when you're going from the guided flows. I really hope this helps you out. Happy crafting!